morning, students. As I said earlier previous class, did you memorize all this 5? Today we are going to use these laws and formulas only in the exercises. So it's very important to memorize all the exponents. Exercise 1.6, first sum and second sum is filling the blanks and true or false. Now we'll move on to the third question, evaluate. Exercise 1.6, evaluate. First sum 1 by 2 the whole power 3, that means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 by 8. This is called a evaluate. Second subdivision, 1 by 2 the whole power minus 5. If it is minus, you have to reciprocal, that is formula number 2. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power n. If it is negative, you have to reciprocal the number. So here if you reciprocal it, you will get 2 power 5. 1 by 2, if you reciprocal 2 by 1, that power minus power will have to write it as plus power. So it is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 2 you have to multiply 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, you will get 32. Third subdivision, minus 5 by 6 the whole power minus 3, which means whenever the power is negative, we have to reciprocal it, the base. So if you reciprocal the base, minus 6 by 5 the whole power 3. After reciprocaling, you have to put the power in. If it is a minus power, you have to put it in the positive. So which is equal to minus 6 by 5 into minus 6 by 5 into minus 6 by 5. So minus 6 into minus 6, 36, minus 36 into minus 6 is nothing but minus 216 by 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 225. Sorry, 125. So this is the answer. Clear, children? Now we will move on to the fourth subdivision. 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2, which implies 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. So since it is a division symbol, you have to put it in the division denominator. Now this denominator, if it is since it is a negative, we bring it to the positive numerator place, it will become as positive. So how will you write? 2 power 5 into 2 power 7 into 2 power, since it is the power is negative, if you go to the numerator place, it will become as plus 2. Now using this law, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. If the bases are same, you can add the power. If the bases are same, you can add the power. Here also the bases are same, you can add the powers. So 2 is the base, minus 5 plus 7 plus 2. You have to add the powers. If you add the powers, you will get 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. So 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It's nothing but 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, which is equal to 16 is the answer. Clear, children? Now we move on to the fifth subdivision. The fifth subdivision is 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. We can write it as 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. Since this is a division symbol, you have to write it in the denominator. Now this denominator is, if you have to go to the numerator place, so the power will become plus. So 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 into 6 power 2. See, it's in the denominator place. We have took it from here and put it in the numerator place. So the power will become plus 2. Now look at this, 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 into this 6, we can write it as 2 3s are 6. Am I right? 2 3s are 6 only. So with this 6 we can write it as 2 3s are 6 and whole power 2. Now the 2 power 2, you have to put it for 2 and also for the 3. So it will become 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 into 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. Clear, children? Now same base you can add the power. So 2 power, so bases are same, you add the power 2 minus 1, and also for 3 2 minus 1. So what is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1, so 2 power 1 into 3 power 1, which is equal to 2 into 3, 6 is the answer. Copy down, children. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Here the fourth sum, evaluate 2 by 5 the whole power 4 into 5 by 2 the whole power minus 2. As I said earlier, whenever the power is minus, we have to reciprocal the base. Here the base is 5 by 2. If you reciprocal the base, 2 by 5 the whole power 2 you keep as it is. Here it will become 2 by 5 the whole power 2. After reciprocaling the base, here 5 by 2, I reciprocal is 2 by 5. And this power, it will become plus, minus 2 will become plus 2. Now look at these bases are same. So since the bases are same, 2 by 5, you can add the power 4 plus 2. Here the power is 4, here the power is 2. You can add the power. This is nothing but the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Using that law, we can use this, and we are using that here. So if you add 4 plus 2, 6. 2 by 5 the whole power 6. So now we can multiply 2 6 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So if you multiply it, you will get 64. That is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. The answer is 64 by 15,625. Clear, children? Now we will move on to the second subdivision. Here 4 by 5 the whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 the whole power minus 3. So we can write like this: 4 by 5 the whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 the whole power minus 3. So we can use the law. Here I will write the law here. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So this law we are going to use here. The bases are same, then you can subtract the powers. So which means 4 by 5 the whole power minus 2 minus minus 3. So here the power is minus 2. Since the formula here it is minus, so I have put minus here. Denominator, the power is minus 2, so I have put minus 2 here also. So which implies 4 by 5 the whole power minus 2 minus of minus plus 3. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 4 by 5 the whole power 1, which is equal to 4 by 5. Clear, children? Now we will move on to the third subdivision. The third subdivision is 2 power 7 into 1 by 2 power minus 3. As I said earlier, wherever the minus sign is there, you have to reciprocal the base and change the power into plus. So here if you reciprocal 1 by 2, you will get 2, and the power, if you have to change it into plus. So minus 3 will become plus 3. Now look at it, the bases are same, we have to add the power. So 2 power 7 plus 3. 2 power 7 plus 3, that is nothing but 2 power 10. So 2 power 10, what is the meaning of 2 power 10? 2 into 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 2. So 2 we have to multiply 10 times. So if you multiply 2 10 times, you will get 1024. Now we will move on to the next sum. Here in this sum, we are going to use all the laws and all the zero, power of 0 and also negative powers. All the things we are going to use here. So what is 5 power 0? 5 power 0, anything power 0 is 1. And what is 6 power minus 1? If it is a minus, you have to reciprocal the base. So if you reciprocal the base, put the power 1. That means here 1. Close the bracket. Into 3 power 2, that means 3 into 3. You able to understand, children? Yeah. Now we have to add 1 with 1 plus 6. So we will take the LCM 6, and 6 plus 1 into 3 into 3. 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7 by 6 into 3 into 3. Here you can cancel 2 times. 7 3s are 21 by 2 is the answer. Copy down, children. Here you can write the power is minus 1. So therefore you have to write that 1 by 2 power 1 plus 1 by 3 power 1 divided by 1 by 6 power 1. Change all the negative powers as positive. Now you can add this 2. What is the LCM of this? 6. So 3 plus 1. Sorry, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 divided by 1 by 6. Here 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. Since it is a division symbol, we can change it as multiplication, and reciprocally you will get 6. So this 6 and 6 will get cancelled. The answer is 5. Copy down. Now we will move on to the next subdivision. Look at here, 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 5 plus 5 power minus 3 the whole power 0. Here so many numbers are given. Don't worry about this. Our law is telling that is anything power 0, the answer is 1. You can directly write this value is equal to 1, because this whole power is equal to 0. Anything power 0 is 1, therefore the answer is 1. Now we will move on to the next sum. Simplify. The next sum is simplified. 3 power 2 the whole power 3 into 2 into 3 power 5 the whole power minus 2 into 18 power 2. So wherever the bigger number other than the prime numbers, you have to convert that numbers into, here it is a bigger number, convert the numbers into prime numbers, and also use the laws of the exponents. Here a power m the whole power n is equal to 3 power 2 into 3. A power m into n. A power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. The third law I am using here. That means in our formula list it is in the fifth formula, and into here 2 into 3 power 5 the whole power minus 2 into this 18. You do it as prime factorization method. 2 times 9 again 3. So this you can write it as 2 into 3 into 3 the whole power 2. So wherever you are seeing the bigger number, you have to convert it into prime factorization, and you have to write like this: 2 into 3 into 3. So you will get 18. And next step, 2 3s are 6. Since it is a minus number, you put it in the denominator place. 2 into 3 power 5 the whole power 2. Are you able to understand? Since this is a negative power, minus power, so you put it in the denominator. Into this one you can write it here. So 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 2. Why? I have put the 2 power 2 for all the bases, 2 3 3. So you will get like this. And similarly can you do it here also. 3 power 6 into 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 2 divided by, if you multiply this inside, you will get 2 power 2 into 3 power 5 into 2. Finally add the powers. If the bases are same, you can add the powers. 3 power 6 plus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 2 plus 2. 6 2 plus 2 into 2 power 2 divided by 2 power 2 into 3 power 5 2s are 10. So look at here, this 2 power 2 will get cancelled, you will get 3 power 10 by 3 power 10. Here also it will get cancelled, you will get the one answer. Clear children? Like this only are right. They will ask in the 5 mark questions, 5 or 4 mark questions. So it's these sums are very big sums, so you can copy down this answer. So the second subdivision, 9 power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 by 84 power 3. As I said earlier, other than the prime numbers, you have to find the prime factorization for 9, 3 into 3. So this 9 you can write it as 3 into 3 the whole power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5. And also you have to find it for prime factorization for 84. So 2 tables, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, again 2 tables, 2 2s are 4, 1. This you can do it in 3 tables 7 times. So all are prime numbers. This you can write it in the place of 84. So you can write 2 into 3 into 7 the whole power 3, which is equal to power 2. You have to put it inside the base. You will get 3 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by, here also the 3 base 3 you have to put it for all the base, power 3 you have to put it for all the bases. So you will get 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 into 7 power 3. Like this you have to convert it. Now you can use the first law, that is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. You have to add it. So 3 power 2 plus 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3 plus 3 into 3 power 3 into 7 power 3. The next step, 3 power 4, since 2 plus 2 is 4, into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 power 6 into 3 power 3 into 7 power 3. Now we can use the second law, that is a power m into by a power n equal to a power m minus n. That law we can use it here. 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 6. Since the bases are same, you can minus the power into 3 power 4 minus 3 into 7 power 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3, 1. 0, 7 power 0 is 1. Here you will get 2 power minus 1 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 0. Since it is negative, you can put it in the denominator. So 3 by 2 into 1. Since 7 power 0 is 1. So 3 by 2 into 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. Copy down children. This is also a important 5 mark or 4 mark. They can write, they can ask in the 4 mark or in the 5 mark question. Copy down children. Now we will move on to the third subdivision. 2 power 8 into 2187 divided by 3 power 5 into 32. As I said earlier, wherever the number is other than prime numbers is coming, you have to do the prime factorization. I already did it for 2187 and also for the 32. You might have get 2 power 8 into, this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 power 7 you are getting, and 3 power 5 into, in the denominator, 3 power 5 into 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 32 you can write it as 2 power 5. Look at this. Here you can use the law, that is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Since the bases are same, you can subtract the powers, that is 2 power 8 minus 5 into 3 power 7 minus 5. Here 2 power 8, denominator is 5 is there, so subtract it with 5. 3 power 7, here also denominator in the 3 power 5, this you can subtract it. So 8 minus 5 is nothing but 2 power 3 into 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 power 2, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72 is the answer. Copy down, children. All are very important sums. They might have asked in the exams. So copy down. See the step by step. You can easily understand it. Now we will move on to the seventh sum. Solve the x. Here exercise 1.6, seventh sum, first subdivision, that is if 2 power 2x minus 1 by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 4, this you can write it as 2 power 2x minus 1 by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 2 power 2. This 4 you can write it as 2 power 2. And the left hand side of the equation is in division sign. If it will go to the right hand side, it will become a multiplication. So 2 power 2x minus 1 equal to 2 power 2. This has to go to the right hand side, it will become multiplication of 2 power x plus 2. Now in the right hand side, bases are same, so add the power, that is 2 power 2 plus x plus 2. Adding the power 2 plus x plus 2. So it will become 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 4. So in the left hand side you are having 2 power 2x minus 1. Since the bases are same, the powers are also same. That means 2x minus 1 is equal to x plus 4. So bring the variable to the left hand side and constant to the right hand side. That means 2x minus x equal to 4 plus 1. 2x minus 2x minus x is nothing but x equal to 5. So like this we have to solve it. The second subdivision. So 5 power 5 into 5 power minus 4 into 5 power x is equal to 5 power minus 5. In this denominator 5 power 12 is there. If it is go to the right hand side of the equation, it will become, the division will become multiplication, 5 power 12. Look at it, all are base 5. If the bases are same, then you can, and also it is in the multiplication, so we can add the power. So 5 power 5 minus 4 plus x. So adding all the power 5 minus 4x, which is equal to, in the right hand side also, 5 power 5 plus 2, sorry, minus 5. Here it is minus 5, so minus 5 plus 12. Now 5 power 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. So 1 plus x equal to 5 power minus 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. So look at that, bases are same, which implies powers also same. 1 plus x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 minus 1. This one, if you go to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. So x is equal to 6. Copy down, children, up to this. Like this only you have to complete the second subdivision. Now we will move on to the expand using exponents. First subdivision and second subdivision. Two subdivisions are there. We will see one by one. So this is the first subdivision. 6054.321. So 6000 you can write it as 6 into 10 power 3. That is the meaning of 6000. Plus 0 into, this is in the place of 100. So you have to 10 power 2. Plus 5 is in the place of 10th place. So into 10 power 1. Plus 4 into 10 power 0. If it is in one's place, you have to put it 10 power 0. Plus, now I am going to write the decimals. Decimals you have to write like 3 into 10 power minus 1. Since it is in the first place, so 10 power minus 1. Next, it is in the 10th place, this is 100th place. So 2 into 10 power minus 2. And the 1000th place, 1 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the expand of 6554.321. Copy down, children. We will move on to the second subdivision. So here 897.14, which is equal to 8 into 1's tens 100th place. So you write 10 power 2 plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0. So look at here, this is the 100th place, so 10 power 2. This is the 9 is in 10th place, so 10 power 1. 1's place means 7 is in 1 place, so into 10 power 0 plus this 1 is 10th, so 1 into 10 power, if it is in after the decimal point you have to put minus 1 plus 4 into 10 power minus 2. Are you able to understand, children? Now we will move on to the next sum. Find the number in standard form of the following expansion. So expansion is given. In this expansion you might have noted down it 5 into 10 power 1 here plus 2 into 10 power 0. You change it into 10 power 0 as it I changed here. Look at here, I written the question here 2 into 10 power 0 you have to write. So here it is 8 into 10 power 4. Check the order 4 3 2 1 0. So you can write 8 7 6 5 2. You can if this is in the order 4 3 2 1 0, if this is in the order you can write the numbers 8 7 6 5 2. Point after that it is decimal. Since it is the power is in negative, so you have to put it to the decimal place. That is minus 1 is missing. Here starting from minus 2 only, so minus 1 is missing, so for that you put 0. Here it is minus 2, 10 power minus 2, the number is 4. Minus 3 is also missing, you put 0. So here it is 10 power 4, the number is 7. So this is the standard form of this expansion. Clear? Now we will move on to the second subdivision. So here if you look at here, 5 into 10 power 3 is 5000. 10 power 2 is missing, so you have to put 0. 5 into 10 power 1 it's 5. 10 power 0 is missing, so put 0 for that. Point, since after that you are going for the negative sign, so it is minus 1, so 5. Minus 2 is missing, so 0 5. This is the standard form of this expansion. Now we will move on to the third subdivision. The radius of the hydrogen atom is 2.5 into 10 power minus 11 meter. That means before that point you have to move 11 digits. That point has to move to the left to the 11 digits. So you will get 0.0000. So it is moves on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 25 meter. If you check here, the decimal is here, so it moves to this place 11 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 digits. So that's why if it is in the minus 11 means to the left hand side the decimal has to move to the 11 digit. So meter you have to put, since that unit is meter, you put the unit meter. Now we move on to the next sum, 10th sum. Write the following number in scientific notation. This is the new for you scientific notation. So we can learn how to write it in these numbers in the scientific notation. First of all, first subdivision. So we are going to write this number into the scientific notation. Scientific notation is nothing but you have to take first non-zero number. Here the first non-zero number is 4. After that you have to put the decimal point. Then write the non-zero numbers 6, 7, 8. After that leave the zeros and count. Here the decimal point is here. It moves up to this place. How many decimal points is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 decimal points it's moving. Therefore you have to put 10 power 11. 10 power 11. So just I am repeating that answer again. 4, put the decimal point. After that the 3 places you have to write 6, 7, 8 into 10 power 11. Why I wrote 11 times? Here the decimal is here, so this decimal point is moving to this place, so you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 decimal places it's moving, that's why it is 10 power 11. So for this number we are going to write the scientific notation. Put the equal sign. Where is the first non-zero number? 1 is the first non-zero number. After that the decimal points has to come. The remaining numbers you have to write 9, 7, 2 into 10 power. This is the format for the scientific notation. So first you have to write the non-zero number, after that you have to put the decimal point, then you write the remaining numbers into 10 power. What is the power you have to write it here? Here the decimal point is here in this left hand side, it is moving to the right. How many decimals it's moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th place. 6th place only we have put a point here. So it's moving, this decimal point is moving to the right to the 6th place. So it is minus 6. If the decimal point is moving to left to right, you have to put negative sign. If the decimal point is moving right to left, you have to put the positive sign. Power is positive, 11 plus 11. Are you able to understand? Here the point is here, it is moving to the left side, right decimal point is moving to the left side, so it is positive. So left decimal point it is moving to the right, so it is negative. Here is a bigger number is given, third subdivision. First you write the first non-zero number, after that you put the point. This is the format. First non-zero number you have to put and you have to write, after that you have to place the point. That is the format for the scientific notation. After that the remaining numbers you have to write 6, 4, 2. Whenever we wrote that point here, we should not, in a line, in a number there should not be 2 decimal points. I am repeating it. In a number, this is a single number, there should not be 2 decimal points. We already put a decimal point here, so no need to put decimal point here. Just to continue with 3, 9 and 8. Are you able to understand? We already put a decimal point here, that's why no need to put it decimal point here itself. So it's enough to write 1 times in a number into 10 power. So this is the format. Which side is in the decimal? Here it is in the decimal. It is moving to the left hand side. 1, 2, 3. Left side is moving. Right to left side is moving. So it is positive. 1, 2, 3. Power is positive power. Decimal is moving to the 3 decimal places. So you have to put 3. Fourth subdivision. The fourth subdivision is earth volume is about. A number is given. How to write this number in the scientific notation? As I said earlier, first non-zero number is 1. Put the 1 here, and after that first non-zero number you have to put the point. You have to place the decimal place. Then remaining 0, 8, 3 you have to write 0, 8, 3. The last zeros only we should leave it. In between any zeros are coming, you have to write that zeros also. These zeros we can leave it, and instead of that you put 10 power. Now where is the decimal is in the standard form number? Here it is in the decimal. This decimal point is in the right hand side, it is moving to this place. We have put it here only. So how many decimal points it's moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to put 12. Right hand side it is moving to the left. The decimal is moving to the left, that's why it's positive. 10 power 12 cubic kilometer. Units also you have to write. Then the fifth last sum is, the last subdivision is, if you fill a basket with dirt, the particle of the whole earth that is in the basket will be. So this much kilogram of dust will be in the basket. So that we can write it in the scientific notation. Scientific notation, you have to write this in the scientific notation. First you find it the first non-zero number. These are all zeros. Where is the first non-zero number? Here it is the first non-zero number. Remaining all the numbers are 0. Only this is the first non-zero number. You have to write that one first. This is the first non-zero number. After the first non-zero number, you have to put the decimal point. Then write the remaining number 6 into 10 power. This is the format. first non-zero number you have to write, then you have to put the decimal point, then the remaining number you have to write into 10 power. That number 10 power what you have to write. Count the decimal places, how many decimal places it's moving. It is in the left hand side, the decimal is in the left hand side, it is moving to the right, to this place. How many decimal places is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 place. From here it is moving to this place. How many places it's moving? 24 places it's moving, decimal places it's moving. So it is 24. Since it is moving from left to the right, so you have to put negative. Clearly understood, ma? Yeah, and also you put kilogram. Like this only you have to write. So up to this chapter 1, all the sums what is in the new book we are completed. Now it's your duty to revise all the sums. Thank you children. All the very best.